How to change the pin location on GrabFood. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the pin location on GrabFood. First, open your Grab app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Save Places. Then tap on Add New to enter a new location for your GrabFood delivery. Enter the new address along with other details like contact name, phone number, and any notes for the driver. Once you've filled in all the details, tap on Save Address to confirm your new pin location. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.